Hello friends, welcome back to another day with Mo, Willems, and Elephant and Piggy. I have selected another one that I really like. Have any of you guys ever had what they call allergies? Where if you're out by the grasses or the flowers or maybe cats or dogs, shh, they're down there, that you sneeze? Well, in today's story, Elephant thinks he's allergic to Piggy. Oh, you are going to love this one. Remember, this is my favorite part of the story. Gerald is careful, Piggy is not. Piggy cannot help smiling. Gerald can. Gerald worries so that Piggy does not have to. Gerald and Piggy are best friends. Can you imagine if you found out you were allergic to your best friend? I know. So let's start today's book. Pigs Make Me Sneeze, okay, by Mo Willems. And you'll see the first page right there. There he is. Ha, ha, ha. Chew. You can imagine an elephant sneeze. Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Shoo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Oh, cracking me up. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy, piggy, piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. And look at the poor back page. Look at little Piggy. And he's holding, look who he's holding. Knuffle Bunny. Oh, another great story. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for coming and listening to my story time today. I sure love sharing these books with you. I will see you tomorrow.